make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you.
Hey guys, happy holidays! It's Leslie. Brace your elves for our new December Morphe Me brushes. This collection has a brown spoolie, contour brush, blending brush, and powder brush for you to slay the holidays this season. Whether you're naughty or nice, even Santa can deny how perfect your makeup will look with these. If you want to learn how to use them to beat your face, just keep watching. To start off this holiday look, I'm filling in my brows with the M413 brown and spoolie brush. For the eyes, I'm applying Beverly Hills from my LiveGlam Marbled LA palette to my crease using the M531 Pointed Pro Blender. Then I'm completing this easy smoky eye look with some mascara and some lashes. Moving on to my face, I'm snatching my nose with the M458 flat contour brush. Then I'm bronzing my forehead and cheeks with the M553 tapered blush brush. Now to get that rosy look, I'm also using that same brush to apply blush on the apples of my cheeks. To highlight my cheeks and nose, I'm using the M531 to sparkle like a snowflake. Lastly, I'm finishing off this look with my LiveGlam Kiss Me Lippy in Haulidays. After you've met these brushes under the mistletoe, don't forget to tag us on Instagram at liveglam.co and use our hashtag LiveGlamFam. You're the cutest elves in the glam pool, so show off your glistening looks by using our December collection. Stay glam!